Wall Street closed higher Wednesday after a volatile midday swing, sparked by rumors that President Trump would fire Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Well, markets rebounded after Trump denied the claims, with strong bank earnings and a surge in Johnson & Johnson shares helping lift the major indices. Take a look at this next report for more details.
U.S. stocks ended higher on Wednesday, with the Dow gaining about 0.5%, the S&P 500 climbing roughly 0.33%, and the Nasdaq adding 0.25%, marking the fifth session in six that the technology-heavy index has posted a record close. But a chaotic half-hour ensued shortly before midday when news reports suggested President Donald Trump was set to fire Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, explains Liz Miller, founder and president of Summit Place Financial Advisors.
The big move was earlier in the day when a rumor came out that President Trump had said he was going to fire Federal Reserve Chairman Powell. And then we saw the markets react violently, both the bond market and the stock market, and the slow move back as that rumor or floated idea was increasingly clarified, and we were told that the president has no plan to fire Fed Chairman Powell.
Trump's denial revived equity markets as the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were down roughly 1% earlier. Wednesday marked the second day of second quarter earnings results. Several big Wall Street banks reported stronger profits, which failed to ignite their stock prices. Bank of America and Morgan Stanley declined despite rising profits fueled by more trading activity due to market turbulence in the second quarter. On the flip side, shares of Johnson & Johnson, one of the S&P 500's best performers of the day, gained more than 6% after cutting its expectations for tariff-related costs this year in half and raising its full-year sales and profit forecast.